just one little less headache that you have to worry about. Thanks, Jessica.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thanks. Jessica, you want to introduce yourself and kind of let people...
I think everybody knows
And
it
everyone.
already.
So my name is Jessica.
Jessica.
I've been a real estate admin for almost now going to 20 years. So I started off just being an admin for just one real estate agent. So because I've been in it for so long, I know the ins and outs of real estate. More than a regular TC or an admin, you could hire somebody to come in and do, you know, the database and make the calls, but do they understand real estate? Do they understand about dates, commitments, you know, the importance of all that? They might not, so that's where I come in and help my agents with. So, yeah, so I decided to do this on my own 3 years ago and cater to different real estate agents all over Mass. I have some in New Hampshire and actually a few in Rhode Island. So that's the gist
How many
of
agents
it.
are you working with? About how many transactions?
And how many more can you
That's what I
accept?
heard was 94.
So right now, my again, I'm new at this. So I have agents, which I work with here. They're great.
Yay.
They understand my role. They let me do my role. But then there were some agents, you know, that we had to just part ways because either they don't understand my role or they're too, they want to do it all, or they want to micromanage everything, and it's just, it wasn't working out. So I cut down. So right now I'm about maybe 30, 35 agents, but some of those agents are top producing agents and some are not. But I think the highest I've been able to do in a month, and I've done like from last year, maybe what, 180, 200 closings a month. And again, I think you have to have a system in place, and you have to know, you know, what you're doing, first of all.
My goal is to give you 200 transactions, just me in a month.
Exactly right.
But that's a great point. Just to Jessica, when we started, we also, like, I know I stuck my hand in the file a couple of times and she would just go like this.
And
after a while,
sometimes have to
I
still
got
do
it.
that.
And the beautiful thing about her is she has so much knowledge and expertise, over 20 years of experience, that newer agents hire her and they literally will pick up the phone and call her and ask her, how do I rate this offer? Because she knows more than some agents. Even me, I've been doing it for 10 years. I'll call her and I'm like, Jessica, I need help with this. What do you think about this? And she knows the answer. Or like New Hampshire forms, I like those contracts. I hate. I just call Jessica. Can you help me with this? Because it's like a PNS for the offer. So she has so much knowledge and expertise that you could literally rely on her as that extra team member that can answer those questions where you may not know the answers. You're welcome. You can pay me later.
Yeah. So.
Questions? Yes, Stephanie.
I was just going to say, I know that for some agents, the hardest thing is going to be when you hire TC is letting go. It's giving that over. But Jessica and I, right, we work to the point, just imagine this, just think of this. I'll put a deal on her contract, and I won't even ever talk to her about it until it's closed. That's where we're at. Think of like all the time that you could buy back yourself by doing that. And I know it sounds bad, like, but it's not. Everything runs perfectly. So it's buying me back so much time, and it's that she's that like experienced person for us. Like they're saying, like 20 years of real estate experience more than I have. You know.
So